On the previous episode, I built a trellis for my cold-hardy kiwi. On this episode, I plant starter plants and create a bean patch. After planting my seeds a few episodes ago, it was time to start putting some starters in the ground. I didn't know how well my seedlings would grow, as I didn't test the soil. Doing it again from scratch, I should have bought a soil tester like this, which I'll link below. Unsure of the success of my seeds, I purchased a handful of plant starters. I chose things that take longer to grow, like Brussels sprouts, to get ahead on the growing season. After planting the kohlrabi, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, it was time to design my bean patch. This piece of land was initially a dry gravel patch. When I dug out the growing plot above, I took all the chunks of sod and flipped them upside down and put them on the gravel to create a layer of soil that wasn't just rock. I then add multiple bags of manure, compost, and seaweed in hopes the beans would grow. After that layer was down, I start putting bamboo poles in the ground. I wove some chicken wire around the poles and tied them secure with some twine. I then added some cross beams at the top to secure the wire, and then proceeded to plant the beans. I'm planting 8 different types of beans here, each have their own labeled popsicle stick. With the beans in the ground, all that's left to do is to water them and watch them grow. Fast forward to today, I can tell you this method worked exceptionally well, as the beans were one of the most productive things on my property. Maybe something to try out on your piece of land, and let me know if it works for you as well. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to share your thoughts down below and have a great day.